Have you ever wondered why passing the nursing board exams feels like scaling Mount Everest? Welcome to the journey of conquering this challenging yet rewarding mountain. Starting off, the first step is all about understanding the journey ahead. The nursing board exams are not just a test of knowledge, but also a test of endurance and discipline. They're designed to assess your ability to apply the vast amount of information you've learned throughout your education in real-world clinical scenarios. So, it's not enough to simply memorize information, you must understand how to use it. Moving forward, the second step revolves around creating a personalized study plan. This plan is your roadmap to success. It should outline what topics you need to study, how much time you should spend on each, and when you should take breaks. Remember, each person learns differently, so it's important to tailor your study plan to your learning style. Be it through flashcards, study groups, or educational videos. Find what works best for you and stick to it. Next up, the third step is all about consistency. Consistency is the key to mastering any skill, and studying for the nursing board exams is no exception. Make studying a part of your daily routine. This not only helps to reinforce what you've learned, but also reduces the pressure as the exam date approaches. On to the fourth step, practice makes perfect. Utilize practice exams as these are invaluable resources. They help you get a feel for the format of the exam, the types of questions you'll be asked, and the pace at which you need to work. Not to mention, they also serve as a great way to track your progress. And finally, the fifth step is ensuring your well-being. Yes, you heard it right. Your mental and physical health plays a crucial role in your ability to absorb information and perform well on the exam. So make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking time to relax and decompress. In conclusion, passing the nursing board exams might seem like a daunting task, but it's certainly not an impossible one. Remember, understanding the nature of the exams, creating a personalized study plan, staying consistent, practicing with mock exams, and taking care of your well-being are the keys to success. So gear up, stay focused, and before you know it, you'll be standing on the summit of your very own Mount Everest, holding the title of a registered nurse. Good luck!